Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will be exploring ChatGPT APIs and we can see what we can do with this. Let's go to their website and log in first. So you just need to log in. Once you're logged in, you will go back to their overview page, and you can see all the different types of application which can be built in ChatGPT, like chat application, embeddings, image generation, fine tuning, speech to text, etc. Let's jump into their documentation. For first of all, I just need to have a look at their examples. So let's suppose, so they all have different types of different problems which can be solved through ChatGPT and can be helpful to solve different problems. Let's suppose we need to see SQL translate. So if I will go back and see this one, so let's suppose we are giving a prompt to ChatGPT like this. So it's Postgres SQL table with their properties, and just mentioning a query to list the names of departments which employed more than 10 employees in the last 3 months. Select, so it will create a query for you, and for that you just need to pass a SQL stating this prompt, and it will give you the response which is like that. So yes, so pretty much you will be passing this response in JSON or Python or whatever, and then it will be sending back this response to you. Now we have got this some sort of settings which I'm not sure of. Let's jump into the playground and see what we can do with this. So here is the properties, I think, which can be given to through the JSON, and this is the prompt we are giving, and just submit it. So now it's saying your reached whatever is being reached. So because I'm using a free version of it, that's why it's mentioning that part. Okay, so let's go back and see what else we can have a look on. The next one is I want to have a look is explain or tweet classifier. Let's see what is it. So the tweet classifier is a basic prompt for detecting sentiments. So if you want to detect a sentiment of any tweet, you can do it with this sort of JSON, and it will give you a response back, like positive, negative, whatever. So let's suppose we have got a tweet called "I love the new Batman movie," and it will return positive. So I think it's pretty cool what we can do with this sort of technology in future. Also, it has a lot of number of different scenarios and test cases which we can cover through that. Let's jump into the API reference and see how does it work. I'm not sure about this pip install OpenAPI. So the next, I think the main thing is, if you're using, most of the front-end technologies are based on Node.js, like React or Angular or whatever. So you can install the OpenAI. It's a package basically through npm install OpenAI. So I'll create a separate tutorial for that. And then we have got a so if you want to access any API request, you want to do API request, so you need to pass a bearer token, which is OpenAI key, and I believe you will get this once you create your developer account or whatever, and then you'll pass it in each request. So the example is here, example with the OpenAI node package JSON. So this is how you will request, you will configure it, list engines, whatever, and then making a request like that. So I think most of the people now, it's gonna be using JSON, and so the JSON is gonna look like that. So which has like ID, object, created, usage, choices, whatever, and then it will give you the list of response back. So this is something like models documentation, which I don't want to go through that. And then you can list all your models with this API call. Retrieve model, whatever, passing the model ID, whatever, and then you'll get the specific model, I believe. So now it has got all the parameters, which I don't want to go through that. And let's see what else is here. So I think we must need to go through all this like things, what are tokens, what are prompts, and what we can do with these things, these sort of technology, how we can use this to implement or build any to support our application. So yeah, so I'll be moving forward, and I'll be making a separate video covering how we can actually implement like use these APIs to build certain sort of application. So yeah, thank you for joining us for this video. I'll get back and create a new video stating all the possible outcomes and whatever with this technology. Thanks for watching.